Good day, folks. Today we're going to take a look at the Movo cage for GoPro and action cameras. Now, some people like to use cages like this to add stability and stabilization. You can get a better grip on it, but it's also used to attach different accessories like lights and microphones and different things like that. So let's open it up and then we'll take a closer look at it. So inside the box here, we've just got a little instruction sheet kind of showing what comes with it and what you can do with it. So here's the unit here, and it's got a nice aluminum build to it. Feels nice in the hand, and it actually looks really sharp. So we'll just set that off to the side here for a minute. Comes with a wrist strap, and then of course the little GoPro mount. So we will need a screwdriver to attach the GoPro mount, so you can get it to where you want, and then just use the screw at the bottom to tighten it up, just like so. So there's different ways we can attach accessories to this unit. Of course, we've got the GoPro mount here in the middle. We've got 2 1/4-inch tripod mounts there, and I'm not sure, I can never remember what those size are, but if you've got the larger thread, it has them there. It has 2 1/4-inch on either side of the unit there, and at the front and the back there, so you could attach different things. Now this is similar to another handheld rig that I featured on my channel several months ago. This one is by GoPro, and it's a nice rig as well. The GoPro one is a little more, it's a little bigger, so it does give you more room, and it allows you to actually attach 2 GoPros. So if you're not going to be wanting to attach 2 GoPros, this might be a better choice for you. So let's go ahead and we'll get our GoPro attached. So yeah, just like so. And that alone just gives you a nice grip. You can kind of grip it with both hands if you're trying to get some nice smooth shots. You can grip it one hand. But ideally, a unit like this would be used for adding accessories, like a microphone, like that. Now, this isn't the best microphone to use with a setup like this, just because it is quite large and it could be in the field of view. This is the Rode Video Mic Go, and it is a really good microphone. The one I tend to use with my GoPro is the Video Micro, and I'll include links down below to all the products that I'll be using in this video. Now, with a setup like this, there are many different ways we could attach lights. First of all, you need a light. This is the Litra torch light, and really good light. And it has a 1/4-inch tripod thread at the back and at the bottom. A couple different ways to mount them is using a part like this. This has a 1/4-inch male to male. So what you could do simply here is at the bottom, screw in the adapter, and then you could screw it onto the side there like that, just like so. And then you've got a light there. Alternatively, you could use the cold shoe mount. However, you will need a part like this. I'm not sure what they're called, but it's got the little cold shoe mount there that would just slide in, like so. Tighten that down, and then you can put that on, just like that. So yeah, a nice little unit, and definitely if you're looking for a simple vlogging setup, this will definitely do the trick. You got light, microphone, and you would have to use the microphone adapter, but with that you could attach it to the bottom here and keep it out of your way. I'll leave the links down below where you can purchase this and some of the parts that I've used in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.